Halo guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are group 4. Today we can talk about news items. Okay, it's created by Ade Rinaldi, Andrian Saputra, Anggi Novianti, Anggi Novitasari, and Vini Nasro. Then we can talk about the definition. Okay guys, you know what the definition about news item? Okay, news item is a text which inform reader about event of the day. Event are considered newsworthy or important. And a new item reports about newsworthy thing like what just happened today in city. The text will tell about what is it about, who is it, why, when, and where, and how about. So intinya in news item it must be have 5W plus 1H. What, where, why, when, and why, and who, and how about of the text. In the next part is social function. Based on the definition of news item, we can conclude that social function is to inform reader or audience about events of the day which are considered newsworthy or important. Intinya, social functionnya adalah untuk menginformasikan kepada kita, si pembaca atau si pendengar, bahwa hari itu telah terjadi suatu peristiwa. Dan juga intinya pasti ada what happened, why, who, where, and when, and how that happened. Social functionnya itu adalah to inform the reader or audience about event of the day which are considered newsworthy or important. Intinya itu, ini kita itu harus ada nge-inform sesuai dengan definisi dari news item tadi. So pokoknya news item kegunaannya itu adalah untuk to inform reader or listener or audience about events, what happened events, what they happen.
Okay, I am Anggi Novianti and I will explain to you about the generic structure in news item. The first is main event or newsworthy event. It recounts the event in a summary form. I will tell you with bahasa. Jadi, main event ini merupakan berita utama bagi yang menceritakan ringkasan tentang suatu peristiwa atau kejadian penting ini terjadi. The second is background or elaboration. So it will elaborate what happened to whom in what circumstances. Jadi bagian ini akan menceritakan tentang latar belakang, apa, siapa, di mana, atau bagaimana kejadian atau peristiwa ini terjadi. And the last is search. It contains comments by participant in, witnesses to, and authorities on the event. Jadi ini adalah bagian terakhir dari generic structure yang berisikan komentar saksi, definisi para ahli, atau pernyataan dari pihak yang terkait dari suatu peristiwa atau kejadian.
Okay guys, I will continue the presentation and I will give an explanation about language feature from the text that we have given before. First, short telegraphic information. We can find it from the headline of the text, and from the text we have it's in the first paragraph. And number 2, focusing on circumstances. We can see from the content, and it tells the reader about what happened. And number 3 is using projecting verbal process in short stage. It means direct or indirect sentence. Like the example is, the police said the car should not have been trying to pass the bus since overtaking is not allowed on Jalan Sultan. Okay, next, number 4. Using material process. It means there are steps, and we can see it on second paragraph. Number 5. Using action verbs like sing, walk, swim. I have 2 examples from the text. Number 1 is the car may have been trying to overtake the bus. Another example is he didn't see the car approaching. Okay, number 5. Using saying verbs. It means said, like the police said the car should not have been trying blah blah blah. So the last is using adverbs of time, adverb of place, and adverb of manner. For adverb of time, the example like at 10 p.m. or 8 p.m. and for the adverb of place like on Jalan Sultan, and from the adverb of manner like carefully, slowly, and other. Okay, thank you guys.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Anggina Fitasari. I'm group 4. I will explain to our discussion is news item and my part example. You can see at our PowerPoint there is example of news item. Dependent of its definition, news item is information which give to reader or listener that happen today. Itu bisa jadi suatu berita atau kejadian yang hangat diperbincangkan atau yang masih berlangsung saat berita itu masih disampaikan. Such as coronavirus which break out until today, or likely our example at PowerPoint. You can imagine if the accident is still ongoing, guys. News item contain the purpose of the author to convey the news or which part they are referring to. As an example, presented to public that the event that have just happened now. Itu bicarakan tujuan dari author yang disampaikan kepada masyarakat atau tujuan lain dari penulis disampaikan kepada pihak yang disinggungnya. And contain news element which are 5W plus 1H. Itu biasanya news item itu berisikan tentang unsur berita yaitu 5W plus 1H. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay everyone, my name is Andrian Saputra. I'm a member of Group 4. I will explain about spatial feature. Okay, spatial feature. That is language feature. The language feature of news item text. First, shorter graphic information about story capture in headline. And then focusing on circumstance. It means that language is briefly and direct to the point. Then using material process to express a verb that refers to physical activity. For example, the flower grow. Using action verb. The next using action verb. Okay, it means the verb that show performance and action. For example, do, go, make, and etc. Exception for the stative verb, because the stative verb that is not action verb. And then using action verb to indicate speaking verb. It could active or passive form. For example, no, he shouted. Shouted is saying verb. And then using adverb of time, adverb of place, and adverb of manner. Adverb to give information when and where the event takes place and the manner of the event. For example, in the morning, on the street, quickly. Quickly is adverb of manner. I guess that is enough. Thanks for your attention.
And then, thank you everyone, and we hope you are understood with our presentation. If you have any questions, please raise your hand and we keep your questions, each group maximal 1 question, ya guys. Okay.